Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is going to be a pretty filled day as I'm going to my friend's. He's going to help me install some H&R Sport Springs. So we're finally going low for the first time. I've never had a low car before, so kind of nervous. But everything should be fine. So in this car, I don't have any buttons to close the trunk automatically. What do you guys do? Close the trunk without touching the paint? I just grabbed this thing. It's a crazy foggy morning, that's for sure. Alright, so now I'm gonna head to my buddy's shop where we can use this lift. So that's gonna be a huge help in getting all the springs done really quick. Alright, so my friend's about to roll up. I probably can't shoot much video inside the shop, but what I can do is go ahead and get some B-roll and just kind of like vlog the process. It's not really going to be like a how-to instructional video. I'll go ahead and link some of those videos in the description below, just so for your convenience if you're trying to DIY, but it's really not a hard job. I would have done this with my brother, but my friend offered to help me and he has the access to a lift, so that's going to be a clutch, and I'm all about that.
We get to whistle work.
My homie Ben.
What's up, guys?
He's gonna help with the install. He has a YouTube channel as well, J&J.
Yep. Hopefully I don't mess anything up on Kyler's car.
Oh man.
I'm sure he'll update you guys if I do. He'll be pulled over on the side of the road somewhere on OBT or I-4 like, this guy messed up my install. I'm gonna kill him.
One wheel off.
One wheel off, you know. I have enough play. I gotta take this bolt out too, then wedge it so that this opens up a little bit and this will come out.
Tape the fenders just in case. Rather put tape there than have a scratch, that's for sure. Yeah, a little bit of rust here, not bad. It's been raining a lot, so that's why. We got this arm out, this arm out. I'm about to drop it. Those clips are a pain.
Yeah, but they do their job.
Keep it in there. You normally have to put like a little pin tool in there when you're unscrewing it, but not with the impact gun. Just give it a quick. Yeah, work smart in a hurry.
There we go.
We're just going to go ahead and take off this control arm that makes the headlights move when you turn. Well, what that's called.
Just for safety reasons. We don't want to break anything.
When we drop it, it might give it a little stretch, so.
Exactly. We might not have to do this step, but we're just being a little cautious.
Exactly.
So, can never be too cautious.
Yeah.
See this little nut right here? This one comes off, and then this comes out. Now we're good to go. Because this is the adjustable point, this is the non-adjustable point down here. So you just take that out of the way, now we're good to go.
Good to drop.
There it is.
Let's go. Nicely done.
Couple little battle scars, but
yeah,
be alright.
Nothing but a thing.
Alright, let's undo the top. Pull her out.
What happened?
I forgot to pull out the little control arm up here. Sway bar link.
And there.
It's all right. We'll get her out.
Yeah, turn it up a little bit.
Come on. Always remember your steps, guys. Always remember your steps.
Go slow.
I got a little too happy. Forgot this part.
We're making too good progress.
Right. I knew something was wrong. I was like, this is way too easy. You're taking way longer than this.
Got it.
Hallelujah.
Kind of like hit her with a hammer.
Yeah, you just gotta knock her out. No, that's done.
They're fully loose.
Fully loose.
Just gotta drop the.
Put this back, because now we gotta drop this again.
Yeah, I put the knuckle back in.
No!
No, it's stuck.
It's alright. Put a couple bolts back in at the top. We'll hold it in place, bang it back out.
Yeah.
No biggie. There we go. Oh, just had to wiggle jiggle. This side be as easy as the last side.
Yeah.
Just go in, baby. Oh. That's probably why.
Oh, there we go.
Hello.
Hello. Alright. Slide that up in there. Get some nuts. On to the rear.
That's right. The hard part's done.
Yep.
I hope.
No, it's good. How low are we gonna go?
Okay.
Yeah, it looks way better.
Yeah.
Oh
The
man.
suspension hasn't even settled yet.
Yeah.
So once the suspension settles, it'll be a lot lower.
Oh yeah.
But before it settles, let me. No.
We got stuck. We got stuck. Mom.
All right. There's only one way you can do this. I need your help.
First angle.
First angle. Gotta take care of that lip.
Yep.
Especially on this one right down here. It's no joke. We'll be alright though.
Yeah. So far so good, no noises.
Yep. I'm gonna take us on a little back road that I take on my cars that I test drive.
Nice.
Everything
Feels good?
Sounds good, feels good, nothing feels loose. Doing about 50 miles an hour now, so.
Yeah.
You do need an alignment. We'll
Not
take
straight.
care of that. Hitting some bumps, don't hear anything, any unusual or weird noises.
Yeah.
It's always good. Doing about 55 now, so. Mission complete.
Let's go. Looks so much better.
Oh yeah. You can definitely feel it now too when driving.
Yeah.
Definitely feels the chassis definitely feels a lot more stiff now.
More planted.
Yeah, definitely a lot more planted.
Better for handling.
Yeah, definitely. About to go take some corners doing like Mexico speeds.
We'll see about that. Testing.
Real testing. The road test is coming. We just got to get past all this stupid traffic.
Oh, okay.
Just give her a little bit.
Solid.
Wheels didn't fall off. I didn't hear no noises. We are good to go, ladies and gentlemen.
Done right. Don't use the wipers either.
Yeah. No wipers. No need.
Coated. Yes, sir.
Yeah, beautiful. Dang, B58, so nice. A little stop test here. Perfect. We are good to go, guys.
Yep.
We're not dead.
Pretty much wraps it up right there. It feels so much smoother. I don't know about smoother, but it's really hard to describe.
I mean, if I had to describe it, since I'm driving,
Yeah.
you definitely feel like there's more control. Like I'm doing 80 miles per hour and I'm coming up on these turns right here, and I mean, I got it. You know what I mean? There's a little body roll still, but you know, you feel confident going into these turns. So Kyler's definitely probably gonna have some fun with this, guys.
Too much fun.
Right.
Gotta keep my cool.
All right.
Little bump, not bad.
Yeah.
So like as the passenger right now, like the ride quality isn't that much different. It would be like really hard to tell.
Yeah, which is all. I mean, that's always like, you know, a good thing, because you know you never want to like put something in your car and then like the comfortability of the ride gets changed so drastically to where you're like, man, I don't want to ride with this. You know, I want to go back to how it was. And I can definitely say that, you know, we've hit a couple bumps here and there while we've been driving, and it still feels very comfortable, very smooth. But you'll actually, you know, you actually notice the difference while you're driving. The handling of the car is just a lot better. So I think you'll be happy once you get behind the wheel and you start testing her out. I think you'll be like, wow, brand new car.
Yeah. Yeah, my parents' neighborhood, there's like 2 really sharp turns, so
Yeah.
I'll have some fun with that. Doing alignment real quick. Was it steering a little bit to the right?
Yeah, a little bit to the right.
Yeah, I'm just gonna get it.
That was expected because, you know, we took off the tie rods. So the steering was going to be a little out of whack. We'll have to fix it up.
Locking up the wheel.
And you hit
Oh. Yep, get ready. Yeah, we're a little off.
A little off on the, oh well.
With the lowering, you're gonna get some more negative camber. So that's off.
You take those pins out and let the car sit naturally. So when you remove the pin, the board moves out because the wheel's already pushing the board out, so it pushes that camber out. So it brings everything into spec.
Gotcha.
So we're a little off on the right side. can bring that in though.
See that like it casts a shadow right here, but there's still a tire going up to right here, so I can maybe fit a finger in there. And so once I get some spacers, it'll push that out and the fitment will be way more flush and it'll look so much better. So stay tuned for that video. Same thing in the rear. I think it's sitting just perfect. So I'm very glad I didn't go with Super Sports because that would have been extreme. And then I think the ride quality would have definitely diminished then. But I really love it. Like going into turns and handling, it just feels so much more confident and so much more planted. It's a lot of fun. Alright guys, that pretty much wraps up this video. I wanted to wait a couple days so that the car can fully settle on the new springs. And boy, does it look so much better. Rides so much better. Overall, I would recommend this suspension setup if you're on a budget. It's super cheap. I think it's like 200 something bucks for springs. But then you got to get them installed, so if you can do it yourself, you'll save a chunk of money, but if not, you'll probably end up spending like another $200 to $400, so depending on what you do, where you go. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like this video, hit subscribe if you want to see more mods in the future, which I plan to be doing a lot. So stay tuned.